Hey guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I want to do a quick walkthrough video on this 2024 Yamaha AR195. This one we have in the space blue color, stainless steel rub rail, stainless steel cleats throughout. This one comes with the galvanized single axle trailer. It's got the white arch on it, bimini top up above, side fuel fill here. Coming around to the stern, so you got a nice big swim platform, some cup holders, space to sit too. It's a great spot to hang out. Easy boarding ladder here. I'll jump up on the inside. I'll show you some features on the inside. All right, stepping onto the inside here. This boat is powered by Yamaha's 1.9 liter SVHO motor. You got a nice walk through there. You can pull the cushion out so you're not stepping on your upholstery. You got storage throughout underneath all the seats. You got a nice cooler built in over here. This one's got a bolstered helm seat. And then you got Yamaha's touchscreen gauge cluster up there. 5-inch screen. All your switches. You got some charging ports up there, phone holder. Throttle. And then on the passenger side, you got a little glove box built into that seat back cushion. Nice non-skid up here with the cup holder. Tons of in-floor storage here. You got storage on either console as well. And then up into the front, you got storage underneath all the seats, cushions throughout, grab handles, some speakers, cup holders. It's a nice little boat. Yeah, again, this is Caleb from MarineMax Lake Norman. Hope to see you guys here.